morning guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 25. It is Christmas Day and just feeling very thankful. I finally woke up. It's like 10:30. I woke up at 8 and then I was in a bad mood. I was just like, I'm tired, so I went back to sleep. Now I'm up and I'm feeling good, just excited. I have my one little present to open from my girls, but I'll open that later in the day. I'm about to eat some breakfast and then see where the day takes me. Probably have some hot chocolate. I want to watch Harry Potter and eat some popcorn and just all the vibes. And I want to give my parents their gifts, so I'm excited. So we got the is it a casserole or it's like a medley of just breakfast items, but it looks bomb. Sausage casserole.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I said Merry Christmas.
Oh, you gonna be rude for the vlog? Okay. I'm gonna keep it in there too, so everybody can see how rude my little nephew is.
I said
So,
Merry Christmas.
That's good. That is good. That might have to be the new holiday breakfast. Sitting here editing Vlogmas Day 24. I can't believe it's Christmas. Like, it's Vlogmas Day 25. Like, whoa, Vlogmas is over. Like, I'm very sad. Low-key want to do Vlogmas till the end of the year just because I really enjoy doing it so much. But I got my hot chocolate. You guys saw me make some chai tea, but I'm gonna probably drink that later, or maybe even tomorrow. I might have like an iced chai tea, but I really want the flavor of the tea to set. And a little later in the day, I'm gonna be making some mac and cheese for Christmas dinner, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna show y'all my fire mac and cheese recipe. I've been on mac and cheese duty for a year now, for a couple years, because it's bomb, period. It's crazy because I used to hate hot chocolate and now I love it. Am I maturing? Okay, y'all, we continuing the turn up in this junk. It is 7:31. We about to watch a movie. Homemade lemonade. Ooh. So first we're gonna start off with an ice cube. I don't know how to get this thing out though. Let me get a fork. Okay. So we got the ice cube. Look at that.
What up, though?
It's finally the end of the night. I'm opening my present. It is 10:45. Luxury. This is Pandora. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, it's a stethoscope. It's a little stethoscope. I gotta go show mommy before she goes to bed. That is so cute.